Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to share with you the answers and the explanation of the answers for the week number 5 daily language review. In this video I'll do the top part, in the next video I'll do the bottom part. And like always, I will take a picture of this once it's all complete and I will post that to the Google Classroom too. So for numbers 1 and 2, our directions say to write the sentences correctly. This is one we've seen many times already. So number 1 says, I think North City Middle School ought to start a volleyball team. So remember, first we always need to check for end punctuation, which we have. We always need to check for beginning capitalization, which we have. But I will tell you that there is some other capitalization errors in the sentence. And then this word here we need to fix. So first we'll start with the capitalization. So this school is called North City Middle School, much like our school is Seneca Falls Middle School. So every single word in the title of that school needs to be capitalized. So that M in middle and the S in school should be a capital M and a capital S. The only other thing in this sentence that needs to be fixed is this word oughta. It's slang, kind of like wanna and gotta. They're not words. So it really should say ought to. So it should say, I think North City Middle School ought to start a volleyball team. Sentence number 2 says, volleyball doesn't need much equipment and it can be played in any weather. So just looking at it quickly, it might look right. It sounds right when you say it, but there are 3 things that need to be fixed here. Doesn't is a word, but it has the apostrophe in the wrong spot. So it should be N''T, not apostrophe NT. Equipment is spelled wrong, right? That should be an E, not an I at the very end, like this over here. And weather is also spelled incorrectly. So there are 2 different weathers. Weather as in the what's happening outside, right? Whether it's raining or snowing, sunny, cold, stuff like that, is W-E-A-T-H-E-R. So that's how the sentence should look. Directions for number 3 say write the missing word. So like we've done before, you should read either in your head or out loud the sentence plugging in each word. Okay, so you can figure out which one makes the most sense. If we had a volleyball team, more students can stay in shape. Maybe. If we had a volleyball team, more students must stay in shape. Also possible. If we had a volleyball team, more students would stay in shape. I personally think it's would. You could probably argue the other 2 for this one, depending on the situation. But the correct answer for this one is the word would. Number 4 says, choose the correct word to complete this analogy. Excuse me, sorry. We did this as a question a few weeks ago on one of these sheets. So this analogy is tennis is to racket as volleyball is to what? And these are our choices down here. So you need to think about how tennis and racket are related in this sense, okay? So in tennis, you hold a racket and you use that racket to hit the tennis ball, right? So in volleyball, what do you use to hit the ball? Net, hand, basket, court. So you should be able to tell right off the bat that basket is not the correct answer because there's no basket in volleyball. Okay? You don't use the net to hit the ball. Sometimes it can work to your advantage, but that's not what you usually use. I would say yes, you use your hand. You play on a court, but that's not what you use to hit the ball. So the correct answer would be your hand. Okay, so tennis is to racket as volleyball is to hand.